The animal kingdom isn't just diverse, it's astonishing. Every forest, every ocean, every stretch of desert is filled with creatures that defy logic, rewrite the rules of biology, and challenge our understanding of intelligence and survival. Today, we're taking a deep dive into 5 mind-blowing facts about animals, facts so unexpected, so unbelievable, that even scientists continue to study them with awe. For the next 15 to 20 minutes, we'll explore abilities, instincts, and mysteries that prove the natural world is far more extraordinary than we often realize. Let's begin. Fact 1. The octopus, a creature with 9 brains and 3 hearts. If humanity were to design an alien, it might look a lot like an octopus. But even then, we probably wouldn't imagine anything as strange or as brilliant as the real thing. The octopus has a central brain and 8 smaller brains, one inside each arm. Each of those arms can taste, feel, and even make independent decisions. If an octopus loses a limb, the severed arm will continue moving, exploring, and reacting for minutes, as if it's still alive. And that's not the end of its biological oddities. The octopus has 3 hearts. One pumps blood to the entire body. The other 2 pump blood to the gills. When it swims, the main heart actually stops beating, which is why octopuses prefer to crawl. Swimming is simply too exhausting for an animal with 3 hearts. Their intelligence is equally remarkable. Octopuses can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, open jars from the inside, escape aquariums through tiny holes, and even remember individual humans. Some have been seen throwing objects at researchers they don't like. They are masters of camouflage, shapeshifters, escape artists, problem solvers, and they live only a few short years. A creature this smart feels like it belongs in another world. Fact 2. The immortal jellyfish, nature's closest thing to eternal life. Deep in the world's oceans lives a creature so small you could miss it completely. And yet, this tiny jellyfish possesses one of the most astonishing abilities, Dainis in the animal kingdom. Turritopsis dohrnii, known as the immortal jellyfish, can reverse its aging process. When injured, threatened, or nearing old age, this jellyfish undergoes a miraculous transformation. It turns its adult cells back into youthful ones and begins life again from its earliest stage. It resets its biological clock. It becomes young again. It essentially refuses to die of old age. This process can repeat indefinitely. While the jellyfish can still be eaten or destroyed by predators, it is, in theory, biologically immortal. Scientists study it to understand aging, regeneration, and the very limits of life itself. Imagine an animal that simply refuses the concept of time. That is the immortal jellyfish. Fact 3. Elephants, animals that understand death like we do. Elephants are known for their size. They're known for their strength. But one of the most surprising truths about elephants is their emotional depth. When an elephant dies, the herd reacts in ways that mirror human grief. Elephants will gather around the body, touching it gently with their trunks. They stand silently, sometimes for hours. Mothers will nudge the bodies of their dead calves, unwilling to leave. Herds often return to the bones of long-lost relatives, showing recognition and a type of reverence no other animals display so clearly. Some elephants stop eating after losing a family member. Others stay behind for days, refusing to walk away. This behavior is rare in the animal world. It suggests memory, empathy, loyalty, and a profound understanding of loss. Elephants aren't just intelligent, they're emotional beings with social bonds that run deeper than we once imagined. Fact 4. The mantis shrimp, the most powerful punch and the most complex eyes in nature. If superheroes existed in the ocean, the mantis shrimp would be the strongest of them all. This small, colorful creature packs a punch so fast and so powerful that the water around its claw literally boils. Its strike moves at 50 miles per hour, faster than the blink of a human eye. The force is so great it creates a cavitation bubble, a pocket of vapor that collapses in a flash of light and heat. For a brief moment, the temperature in that bubble reaches nearly the temperature of the sun's surface. The punch is so strong, it can crack aquarium glass and kill prey instantly. But its eyes may be even more surprising than its fists. Human eyes have 3 color receptors. Butterflies have 5. Mantis shrimp? They have 16. They can see ultraviolet, infrared, polarized light, and color spectrums we don't even have words for. Their vision is so advanced that scientists use mantis shrimp eyes as inspiration for next-generation sensors and cameras. A creature only a few inches long holds the blueprint for biological superweapons and revolutionary visual technology. Nature didn't just make it strong, it made it extraordinary. Fact 5. Crows, the birds that remember your face and pass that memory to their children. Crows are not just clever, they are among the smartest animals on the planet. In cognitive experiments, crows have demonstrated memory, reasoning skills, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving abilities that rival primates. But their most surprising ability is this. Crows can recognize individual human faces, remember them for years, and teach other crows who to fear and who to trust. Scientists once conducted a study using masks. People wearing a specific mask captured a group of crows for research, then released them unharmed. Years later, the same mask triggered alarm calls from the crows. Even though the people wearing it were totally different individuals, the knowledge had been passed down from crow to crow, a generational warning system. Crows also bring gifts to humans they trust, use cars to crack nuts, create tools from sticks and wires, and understand the concept of water displacement. You could argue that crows are the engineers of the bird world, observant, patient, strategic, and capable of remembering a grudge for a lifetime. Conclusion: animals surprise us not just because of what they can do, but because of how much we still don't know about them. A creature with 9 brains, a species that defies aging, a giant that mourns its dead, a tiny fighter with the punch of a weapon, and a bird that remembers faces for generations. These secrets barely scratch the surface of the animal kingdom. They remind us that intelligence, emotion, and complexity are not uniquely human traits. They are woven into life in ways we've only begun to understand. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on exciting real stories from Top Facts Story.